We just want to see if it spins and if this thing turns. She was turning and now she's not. And I think I'll get my Boroscope. No way. What? She doesn't look like much, but in 3 more easy payments, she's all mine. Yeah, hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike back with another video on this pile of crap. Yeah, this beautiful, I don't even remember what it is, 1970 Mercedes 250 SE, I believe. I'll have to go back and look at my title. Yes, I got a title with this hunk of junk right here. And yeah, she's not much to look at all. If you watched the last video, you know that I drove far, far, far away to pick her up for just a little bit of money. Okay, I think I asked everybody how much the guy should have given me to haul her away, or how much I should have given the guy, the seller, to let me haul her away. The result is $550. That's what I spent to purchase this lovely German engineering marvel. Why did I spend $550 on something that looks like, well, this right here? Why would I do that? Well, let me show you. This right here is why I did that. Yes, let the angels sing, because she is beautiful. This is exactly what I needed, okay? It is going in a car that I have right over there. Benzo the duck is in the way. He's looking for some food. But underneath the tough stuff and the oil and everything right there is a beautiful 1969 Mercedes 280 SE with the exact same engine. All right, so what we're going to do in today's video, we're going to kind of evaluate what we have here. We're going to check for oil. We're going to check for antifreeze. We're going to check and see if the engine actually spins over and just what happens, okay? I want to get this engine out and the transmission out so I can say goodbye to all of this goodness right here, okay? I think once I have all the parts that I've removed, then we're just going to let her go on down the road, okay? So if you're interested in the shell of a car, no engine, no transmission, no interior, you get a steering wheel, 4 windows, 4 wheels, and part of a wood dash, and a terrific radio, and a rear view mirror, unless I want to keep that. Yeah, let me know. There's even keys. I even have keys to this luscious beauty right here, okay? So let's take a look at what we have going on right here. I'm going to remove the radiator. Maybe there's some fluid in here, I don't know. And then we're going to take a look at the oil. We'll see if the engine turns over. We'll see what lies beneath here. We'll take a look at the spark plugs. And hopefully, this mechanical fuel injection unit right here is in working order. I don't know. I really don't know. We're just going to have to see. After much debate between the duck and me, we've decided a 27 is the right size for the crank bolt. We just want to see if it spins and if this thing turns. So as you can see, I've removed the upper radiator hose and the fan. And let's just see if this even, oh. She turns. She does turn. Oh, that's huge. Okay. I don't know how long this has sat. How many decades? Uh-oh. Seems to be a bit of a dead spot right there. Hold on. Oh, no. Crap-a-cola. Well, she was turning and now she's not. Oh, wait, you know what? I got a bolt stuck right there. Well, no wonder. Hold on. Look at that. One of the fan bolts dropped right into the pulley. Now let's see if she's going to keep on cranking. Ugh. Come on. Yes. Okay. Well, she turns. That's huge, folks. This is humongous. Okay, so that's good. That means we can take off a spark plug and see what it looks like. And I think I'll get my Boroscope and take a look in here as well. So let's just choose this spark plug right here. Okay. Yeah, I'd say that's a little stiff. That does not look bad though. Look at it. Did I bring the right socket? I think I did. I did. Okay, let's take off the spark plug. Let's just see what she looks like. She looks too white to be old. I don't mean that in a weird way. I'm just saying that she looked new-ish. See how pretty she is? Come on. This is your good old NGK BP5ES. So there is a bit of carbon, but that looks fine. Holy crapola. Is she going to start if I give her power? No, because we don't have any fuel. And we have nothing from the coil. But I wonder if she just spins if I gave her some power. Do I dare try without starting a huge fire? Oh, I don't know. According to this, she's going to try to start though. That's huge. Okay, we'll put this back. Wait, no. Let's go look underneath. Do you remember when I reviewed my Teslong Boroscope? This is a good one. This is a really good one. So let's just kind of put this in here. There you go, baby. Here we... No way. What? How clean is that? Oh, no way. Now, can't you change this too, and you can go on the side? Let me see if I can remember. Look at that. Oh, I just took a picture of it. Look how clean that is. You got to be kidding me. What in the world have I purchased? This is fantastic. What else do I do now? Other than remove the engine and the transmission, I really want to try to start it. Do I even have a gas tank? I mean, it's not going to work. I'm sure the fuel pump is gone. And the gas tank too. Let's just take a look under here. Nope. I have a nice looking gas tank. And I got the fuel pump. Whoa. Is this a clear pre-filter that is just black? Whoa, okay, look at that. Oh my. Okay. Well, get rid of this stuff. These things are hard as a rock. Can you see? Oh, it smells. Yeah, it smells terrible. Fortunately, with my last income tax return, I have a brand new fuel tank. I really do. I bought a new fuel tank, $500 and something, because I was just certain the car was going to come back to life. And now I'm certain this one is going to try to come back to life. I've got oil. I've got one cylinder that looks really, really good. Let's just kind of go in through here. Let's look at cylinder 6. We'll just take, of course. Look at this. It's a new spark plug. Let me get this one off too. Here's your other spark plug. Now this did fall and hit the concrete, so I'll have to check the gap. But that's not original. Of course not. So let's see how good cylinder 6 looks. I'll go right down in here. No way. Okay, look at this. Look at how clean. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is huge. Well, we are definitely, you can't even see me now because of the background, but we are so happy about this. So, what do I do? I think I just take it out, drop it in. I think that's what I'm really going to do. I really am going to do that. Nope, that is absolutely not what I am going to do. We're going to get this old girl running again. Yep, in the next video, the gang's all here, sorry. Look, we got the duck grooming me. Lola's over here prancing because she knows she's a pretty princess. And I'm sorry about the squawking, but the people who love the duck quacks, there you go. That's for you. And if you don't, I'm sorry. That was just one scene. Lola, show them your face. Smile. Smile, mama. Okay, there you go. Yeah, are we going to take it out? Nope, we're going to get it to run. Absolutely. So in the next video, we will work with the fuel pump. Maybe we'll go with a secondary fuel pump. We're going to try to see if it starts. I can't just leave it in here because it's a lot of work to take it out. And if it's a piece of crap, what do I do with it then? So in the next video, get ready for greatness. It's going to be fantastic. Do you think it's going to run? Do you think it's not going to run? Is it a waste of time and a waste of money? Leave a comment in the description box, everybody. All right, have a great day, and we'll see you again very soon, okay? Bye-bye. Here's one more look at my pretty little duck and my dog. Hi, Lola.